This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the image you want is accessible. This saves backtracking. Once done, open Settings or long press an empty home screen to jump directly to wallpaper controls. You should decide early whether you want the image on Home, Lock, or both, because that determines subsequent options like parallax, crop, or blur. Do this now so the next steps apply to the right target and you avoid undoing work later. You now choose the exact file, photo, live photo, or a preloaded wallpaper. As you preview, use pinch to zoom and drag to place the subject where icons won't obscure it. Make sure to toggle perspective or parallax only if you want motion, otherwise disable to avoid shifting composition. Also check how widgets and icons look against the image. Adjust cropping so important elements remain visible. These adjustments you finish by tapping Set or Apply and confirming whether it goes to Home, Lock, or both. The system saves the change immediately. After applying, inspect app icons and widgets to ensure readability. If something looks off, reopen the editor to tweak crop or switch aspect ratio. If the wallpaper fails to update, reboot your device, clear any photo app cache, or reset wallpaper settings. These steps usually resolve permission or caching problems, so your new background appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.